Everyone, I got a new toy for the cat, so I want to share what's in the box and how it came. So it's a self-play teasing wand, but it's double-barreled on it. What I do like about it is that it's going to suction cup to the floor, so I can just leave it and go, and it's washable and reusable. So let's see what's in here. So we have the mound where this is going to stick into. And then you've got things that are hanging off of it. So bird, little worm, and that is it. So I'm very excited for the cat to try this, and I think he'll like it.